Hi, this is the analysis that I am looking at for NQ and ES. So today is Monday, 127. We had a huge gap opening for the new week opening, and then we attacked these lows right away. So I would think this is liquidity right here. And if you look at ES, ES, we went into this fair value gap here, right? Order block fair value gap. This is nonetheless in the discounted area, right? So we're in the 50% of that range, and we attacked the sell side liquidity here. So what's next? Okay, before we know where the market is going to go, I want to see that we came from up top here, right? Is this a reversal or a retracement? That's a good question. So from what I'm seeing right now, if you look at ES, it is currently a retracement, right? Because we never took out these high here. So we left these highs intact. We made a lower high here, and we have this big wick on Monday, right? So I'm thinking this is a retracement back up into this buy side liquidity here, coming into this discounted area and to go up. What does that mean for NQ? So NQ, same thing here. We have a retracement. I didn't see. So we had equal highs here that we left open. We have kind of consolidated for a day or two, and then we retraced down. So I'm thinking we should run these highs before continuing downwards. So market is still bullish. We had this movement up here, so I'm thinking the market is still bullish. We have to tag the sell side, buy side liquidity in order to convert down into a bearish market. So what I'm looking for here, we have heavy news coming out this week. We have Tuesday 8:30 durable goods. We have Fed interest rate decisions on Wednesday the 29th at 2. So we have heavy news coming out. So I don't think the market is going to do much until Wednesday. So what I'm seeing here is potentially a Wednesday. So now I'm going to look at this Monday wick here and see how we kind of consolidate around this area. A bullish movement in this area would indicate that we're going up to the top again for ES and for NQ. Now, which one is a stronger pair? Which one you won't want to buy? In my opinion, I think the stronger pair is the ES because it failed to reach lows here. So these are the lows from January 10th, January 13th, right? These lows were not tagged in ES. So these lows were tagged in NQ, right? Versus we never came down here. So in my opinion, I think ES is a stronger pair. We should see this buy side liquidity tag before having another judgment as to where the market should go. Now for oil, what I'm seeing on oil is on a weekly chart here. Again, we have a bullish movement up here, and we are most likely going to make some type of a turn here because in my opinion, we bullish market, we are retracing. We are not reversing here as evidenced by this swing formation here. If there's a swing formation and then we tag those swing and take out the buy side liquidity and then go down, in my opinion, we have reversed. But in this case, we didn't do that yet. So I'm thinking this is a retracement. So how do I play this? We would play it as to see how we close this week. So if a closure is above or in this area here, if we have a weekly closure above this here, then I'm thinking we should be attacking the buy side liquidity one more time. We're in that discounted area. We're in this fair value gap here from a weekly chart, and we would see how it trades this week, and then we can take a trade potentially of a 4-hour chart and the following week. Bond, in my opinion, this is where the bond theory comes in as to why I think we are going to be going up, because we have monthly lows tagged on all of these, right? Monthly lows tagged. But if you look at closely, we went below this month here, right, with 5-year. And 10-year, we failed to tag below that. We made equal lows. And then 30-year bond, we failed to come below that. So we have a divergence on monthly chart here. What I'm waiting for on bond is that we close inside this month here. So candle range theory would say that turtle souped and then closed, wicked below here, and then we close back inside, we should be able to attack the midpoint of this and then onto the opposite end. So I'm looking at how this month closes and then subsequently take a trade in the month of February for bond. And with that, I think that's it. I would make a video on how I would trade bond. I would not be most like an option trade on bond, and ES is obviously going to be a day